Hi guys, this is Dom. Guys, yesterday we discussed one Django project by using template concept. Yeah, see, we are going to run that project. How can we run? Yeah, file minus.py run server. See, and we'll see the output. It's running perfectly, guys. Yeah, and on the Chrome, just paste here. What is the output? Yeah, need to mention the path. Yeah, where is the path? URL we defined yesterday. Home is there. Yeah. See, this is our study work. Yeah. Just I am continuing with this one only. Yeah. And guys, here we want one forms data. Yeah. Like feedback forms we want. So how can we generate the forms from the Django? Yeah. There is a two way. One is the we can write the HTML code in the HTML forms code like input field something. Yeah. But in the Django, one beautiful concept is there to create the forms in the simple way. Yeah, see, let's start. Yeah, so first, guys, just open this one first. What is our recent yesterday? This is a inside YouTube. Okay, just open this folders. This folders available. Yeah, Template Pro is there. Yeah, this is our study applications. Just I am continuing with here. Yeah. How can we define the forms, guys? You know very well. Yeah. See. Just I'm going with the Django forms. So see, follow. Don't use HTML forms because Django is providing a beautiful concept in the forms concept. Yeah. So see carefully. Inside the test application, this is application folders. Inside the test application test tab, create one new file, name as a forms. Yeah, this name should be anything, okay? But this is a recommended name, that's why I'm using forms. And import this forms is available inside from Django. Import forms. See, okay. Now we are defining the forms. Okay, let's see. Defining the forms. See. Firstly, define the class. Forms name means feedback forms. Okay. Okay, guys. This feedback form should be child class of forms dot form. Okay. Yeah, fine. And how many field you want? Input field like firstly name. Name. Forms dot cat field. Yeah, character field is there. Max length is not mandatory, but we are entering the max length here. Setting max length is equal to at least 50 characters. Okay, guys. Yeah, and their name and we can write here contact number. Contact numbers. Okay. Yeah. Set as the character fields only. Yeah. 10. Okay. Length is at 10. Okay. And email ID. Just email. Email field is there. Okay. Set as the length email field. Okay. Length is a max length is a 50. Okay. Fine. And you can set a DOB. Okay. You can set a DOB. Okay. Date of birth. Date field is there. Okay, guys. Date fields. There is no max length in the date fields, guys. Okay. See, and we're making one more field in the message field. Yeah. Message. Okay, guys, just right here. Forms dot text field. Text field is there. No, I don't know, guys. See, text field. Text field is not there. You just set in the as a character fields. Okay. Character field. Later we can change. Okay. Max length is equal to at least 250 characters. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is our forms is ready. You want these fields. Okay. Just now copy this one. Go inside the page.py. Here view.py. This is okay. Um, just create the object of that forms. So firstly we need to import. Where is this forms is available? From test app dot forms import this forms link. Okay. Yes or no, guys? And create the object of this forms. It's created here. Fine. Just remove the test here. Error is coming. So don't worry, yeah, guys. Don't worry, yeah. Forms, okay. Okay. Fine. And pass these variables in the HTMLs. How can we pass? By using context parameters, guys. Okay. What is the context parameter? Just define context. This is a dictionary, yeah. Key and value pairs, okay. Forms. We are passing the forms, okay. In this context, we can define inside the render block, okay. See, return side, okay. Now go inside the HTML code. Home.html is there. Just write here inside the form. See, inside the template tag. This is called is template tag. Okay, guys, this is template tag. Okay. Double curly bracket open, double curly bracket close. It's called a template tags. See, all fields came or not, guys. See, we didn't write anything here, any input, anything here. But if you click on the right, if you click right click and if you open the view source code, see, same as it's generating. Yeah, understood here. This is Django generating itself. Django is responsible to generate all these things. Okay, guys. Okay. I hope this is clear for you guys. And next, okay, fine. And we need to put their submit button so we can push the data. Is equal to submit. Okay, just see. If you click here, see, all are the mandatory field. Okay, default all are the mandatory fields. Yeah, guys, you are using Bootstrap, then use BTN class, BTN friend. Okay, guys, see. Some things input the values of. Okay, yeah, we need to define the submit buttons. Okay, Django can't display the submit button itself. Yeah, same. You guys see. Oh, understood, guys. Okay. Now we can put heads dot as underscore. See, right now here adding the template means tr tag. Okay, tr tag is in the tabular format. Okay, tabular format. If you are adding the p as underscore p means it is adding the paragraph. See once. See. If you refresh here, see, add the one paragraph text. Okay, okay, guys. See, this is a correct things, yeah. So don't worry about designs. Okay, if you want all the things in the centers, then also we can do in the centers. How? We are using Bootstrap now. Just type here center. You guys, see, all this come in the centers. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. If you want to put some styling, then you can put also. See, how can you put the styling? This is a paragraph type. Just define here inside the inline styling. So inline, yeah, internal styling, yeah. Okay, yeah, I am not a much content designers, okay, but we know between things how can we design borders, 2 pixel, solid red. See, guys, see carefully. See, put the black, okay, red, something. Okay, but like it coming. Okay, no, put the labels. Inside the labels and copy this one again. And go there and put the input. See, guys, how I am doing. Just width for 20%. Just rearranging the forms. Okay, see, it's okay, guys. Now just remove this one borders. I define the borders because I need to check something. Okay, it's okay. I think fine for you guys. Yeah, state is coming something. Yeah. Okay. If you want to put something in the borders inside the form, okay, guys. Border 2 pixels solid green seal legs. Okay. If you want to put the padding, then you can also put the padding. Padding 5 em. Okay, guys, something is came in the centers. 5 em. Em means element is there. 2 only put 2 em. See. Okay, guys. If you want to give these things also in the centers, then you can use inside the centers. No worry about this one. I hope, guys. See. Okay, guys. Look like it's same better. See. If now our point is our question says if you type here some things XYZ contact number some things, don't dial this contact number. This is dummy, yeah. This is not my contact numbers, yeah. You can connect with us via Zoom. Sorry, via email area. Gmail.com. DOB something. Okay, guys, something is there. Thank you. Sending one error will come. I think not coming any errors. Okay, fine. See, data is going in the get method. So while sending the data to the servers, no one using the get methods. Yeah. So we should have to define here post methods. Yeah. How can we define? Just method is equal to. See. Now we'll send write some errors. Okay, we'll type something. Yes. See. We'll write some errors. Yeah. Okay, guys. Email fill in the Gmail. Okay. See. Writing some errors. Yeah. What is the errors? CSRF verification field means, guys, this is a cross-site request for the expecting one tokens while using post methods because it will responsible to what we call, guys, it is responsible to send your data in the secure format, yeah, for security purpose. Just add here what we are adding. See one token cross-site request for the underscore token. So guys, this is done. See. Just go here, remove all these things, refresh. Now send again. Something is there. Okay, guys, see something is there. Don't type anything, just passing dummy message. Okay, see now data is going somewhere. Yeah, data is going or not, guys? See, data is going. See where is coming the data? Inside the get method can't come. Need to define the post methods because we are handling the post request. Yeah, so inside this class we can define here post method. How can we define, guys? Just df okay, guys. This is default one. Only if you don't want, then just remove this one. Okay, guys. Now our point is C. Print. Just return one things. Return HTTP response. Okay, guys. See data send successfully to the Django server site. Okay, this HTTP response is available in the somewhere, so we need to import these things. Okay, where is available from Django.http import response. There is a place. Okay. Now go again. Type here. See. What is saying data sent successfully? Yeah. So data sent means this request is currently working. Yeah. So we can handle these things. How? How can we handle? How can we get the data? What data you are getting? What data user is sending to us? See, just yes, see. What is first name is there? Okay, name request dot post dot get. Okay, guys, see. Name is there. Another email is there. Email and what is form field name? Contact number. See, guys, carefully. This name is contact number is there. Yeah, if you guys are facing any problems, any problem, just you can comment. Yeah, otherwise you can send the mail in our mail ID rampython 2019@gmail.com. This is our official mail ID. Yeah? So can use this one. Okay, guys. See now, just I am passing this things here. Yeah, just type here format string. Okay. See name something something something. If you know about format strings, then you can understand what I'm doing here. Yeah. If you don't know, don't worry. If you know Python, then may you understood what Ram is doing here. Yeah. If you don't know, also don't worry. You can ask me. If you observe these examples, then only you can understand these things also. Okay, guys. Send here. See, all data is coming here. Just put the message. See, whatever you are typing, data is coming here. See, name, email ID, all these things is coming on. If you want to put, see, name is there. If you want, then you can put on BR tag also. So right now I'm not putting any BR tag, anything here. Just again you can check, friends. See what I done. See, I'm putting name XYZ. Contact number. I'm not using any validations here. Okay, so don't worry. Yeah, this is default validations in the email related. Yeah. See guys, DOB is there. Yeah. Good jobs. See, all are coming. See, all data is coming here. In the next video, we'll see how can we store this data in the database. Okay, guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe the channels for more updates. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. All the best.